was good.
Mm-hmm.
You can tell the truth, Father. Number one meanest person on the earth. Babe! Bottom cracked. Open. Luke Skywalker. Nope, I'm gonna kill you anyway. Luke, I really am your mother. Look at this. Okay, I'm still gonna kill you though. But you're going to jail. Yeah, I need a better license. God? I guess I can stay around for a while. I guess I could stay around for a while. There it is. That's why I busted it. Man, I already broke it.
Mm-hmm.
No, literally broke it.
Literally?
Yeah, there's a bump in it.
Mm-hmm.
That's a very bad dump. Well, I need to throw it away. Because once it breaks, the batteries breaks too. So it won't come on anymore.
Mm-hmm.
But still, I can play with it even though it's bent. So there's no way we can return this now. Because it's broke and it's cracked. And I about peed on it.
You peed on it?
Yeah, I just about did. Right now, I just about peed on it. No, little, I really got pee. I just about pissed on it. No, I'm seriously, I just really about pissed on it. I'm not lying. Literally about pissed on this thing. It would have blew up and made my whole entire body piss all over it.
Okay.
But not seriously, I do have to piss.
Okay.
Okay, I might as well just use this as a bathroom since there's a hole right here.
Is it small enough?
Maybe. Maybe not. It's small. Look how small it is.
Yeah, I know. I think it'll fit.
Okay. I'm really am peeing right now. I'm really am pissing right now. That is so messed up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Say yes or die.
Yeah.
I have a knife.
Put the knife up.
I have a knife in my pocket. I have a knife in my dad's toolbox, which will kill you in 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Once I get it out. There we go. Ow! Ow! I cut myself. Oh shoot, it's stuck in my shoe.
That's what she said.
That's what she said, Ryan. Yeah, Ryan, I really am pissing right now. I'm literally pissing in my pants. I'm literally peeing in my pants.
Alright.
I'm literally... Hey, Ryan, can I piss on you?
No.
Can I piss on your phone?
No.
Can I piss on your girlfriend?
I don't know.
If you had a girlfriend, would you let me piss on her?